Opened in 1991 and located in the heart of the Boulevard Cultural District, the Lancaster Performing Arts Center, affectionately known as the LPAC, is the epicenter for quality and engaging performing arts in northern Los Angeles County. Just after noon on Thursday, March 12, 2020, following two sold-out Arts for Youth performances, LPAC, exercising an abundance of caution surrounding COVID-19, closed its doors and entered into what the performing arts world refers to as a long intermission. Theater staff immediately began the process of rescheduling the performances remaining in the 2019-2020 season, contacting patrons and holding out hope to reopen in the fall of 2020. As the gravity of the pandemic grew and facing a closure of undetermined length, the city decided to accelerate a multi-stage improvement strategy already in process for the nearly 30-year-old facility. The goal was to utilize the closure to complete as many projects as time and budget would allow. These projects included critical safety items such as rail updates, necessary technology maintenance to the audio and lighting booth, as well as projects that would be difficult to accomplish while the theater was open, such as restroom remodeling to accommodate ADA compliance, carpet replacement, and painting. In a typical year, the theater has a single one-month window to complete annual maintenance and other projects. During this mandated closure, all of the aforementioned projects were completed, with several more now in the works. Although the facility was closed to the public, LPAC set out to reinvent the way performances were presented, aiming to keep the patrons engaged during the widespread confinement. This mindset introduced us all to the expanding world of virtual events. The first virtual program LPAC presented was a Killer Party musical, which brought a light and fun, remotely filmed Broadway production to the patrons. LPAC continues to offer new virtual events, encompassing everything from comedy and concerts to magic and musicals. With the holidays approaching, the center wanted to engage the community and spread some holiday cheer, and set out to create their own original in-house production. Partnering with local businesses and local talent, Holiday Moments was the first and the largest in-house production in the theater's history.
Jingle bells, jingle all. Oh, tell me that I may wash away the writing on this stone. From Cedar Street Theater, God bless us, everyone!
In January, Justice Sunday, a program produced by the Antelope Valley Union High School District, in partnership with the City of Lancaster, was also presented virtually and featured Eclectic, a play written and performed by students from the district, as well as messages from many community leaders.
It's a long way to Tipperary, it's a long way to go.
Still a shame we don't get all the credit we deserve. You boys wrote that song in less than 15 minutes.
As we look back on the challenges of the past year, the Lancaster Performing Arts Center eagerly anticipates the safe reopening of the theater and welcoming you back for the return of live performances and the celebration of our 30th anniversary in the upcoming 2021-2022 season. We look forward to seeing you all again soon.